something else that was actually super, super cool. So one thing that we've been talking about a lot is certain products and where they're made. So Amazon actually launched a Made in Italy days. It's called Made in Italy days, right? So these are products that are all made in Italy, not owned in Italy, made in Italy, right? So how cool is that? Now I'm starting to wonder whether or not, now this was in May 30th, 2022 when I published this, but I'm starting to wonder whether or not, depending on the success of this, whether they'll actually start to introduce this to Amazon. Imagine Made in Australia days, right? But when you go to, so when you go to Amazon, I'm going to kind of Digital Made in Italy Day kicks off. So it kicked off on 29th of May to 2nd of June, right? Made in Italy in 11 countries, promotional window on Made in Italy, so 11 countries, right? So that's where they kind of promoted it. But if you have a look here, this is Made in Italy, Amazon.com, right? I didn't even know this existed. So all of these products are actually made in Italy. So if you're looking for a manufacturer, if you're looking for maybe an interesting idea or a product idea that maybe hasn't been done, let's say in Australia yet, because this is only servicing Italy and the US and the UK, I think they're not servicing Australia. It could be a great idea to actually get some ideas from here. I mean, if we go to, let's click on beauty and wellness. So you got 1,000 results. So again, all of these products are actually made in Italy. So let's click on see all results. Right. Made in Italy. All right. Beauty and wellness made in Italy. I know this toothpaste, we actually have it here in Portugal. Right. So how cool is this? This is everything that's made in Italy. Right. I mean, look at this. This is a woven dental floss. Ah, yes. Actually, talking about dental floss, I know a really good manufacturer of dental floss in Italy. So, I know a lot of it is actually made there, but how cool is this for getting ideas? Look at this Love Smoothing Conditioner, right? That is so cool the way they've done that. There are people in Australia that make these conditioners and things like that. So you could take that idea, right? Take the idea only, right? Shaving soap, interesting. I haven't seen anyone sell shaving soap in a little while, but 3,000 sales, 2,000 sales. Like it's just absolutely crazy. Look at how nice this dental floss is. Really, really nice hero image. I would have probably made the the writing maybe slightly bigger, but all good. It looks nice and they're killing it. All right, so really, really awesome stuff. Really great place to get some ideas. I think I didn't, like I said, I had no idea they actually existed. I'm going to be probably spending some time here this week and just having a look at it in terms of the products they have and everything else. Hair butter, super cool. And let's see, I want to kind of have a look at their see what they have. Okay, so this is actually in Italy. This is Amazon.it. So they have it also there. So we could shop on it from here if we wanted to, from Portugal. They even have toys. All right, so they have toys made in Italy. Let's check what toys they have. This micro scooter, Vespa. So cool. So all of these are made in Italy, right? Super, super cool idea. Absolutely love it. All right, so did you guys like that? Made in Italy? I mean, have you guys seen these products? I mean, again, these are a great opportunity to bring these products into Australia, right? They're made in Italy, not selling in Australia. I'd probably be contacting them, right? And finding out if you could be an exclusive wholesaler or distributor for these products in Australia. If you're kind of a little bit stuck and you're thinking, maybe I just want to do that, right? It could be a really, really cool and interesting concept for you to do. All right, so one of the things that we actually look at is I'm always kind of thinking, because I kind of get this asked all the time, Sam, I don't have much money at all. Or, so of course, everyone has different budgets, but some people kind of want to get in and they're kind of thinking of a way of how can I actually get into Amazon and sell products and not really have much, oh, I don't really have much funds. So one thing, and I haven't done this before, right? But I want to kind of show you an idea that I thought was kind of very interesting. So, as you know, we have an affiliate program with Amazon, right? And on the Inner Circle call, I've actually been the last months now, every now and then, I've actually been going in and talking about organic traffic, right? Talking about setting up your blog, doing organic traffic to your actual brand and your actual product, right? As a way to actually get traffic to your site, right? But one way that I think is interesting and kind of I'm just putting two and two together, and maybe I can do something more advanced for this. But it was just an idea that came about that I've been thinking of, being like, we know through blogging, and I'm talking about kind of more Australia here, you can get some really good amount of traffic, and you can get it quite easily with a certain strategy. Now, one opportunity, one idea is to actually sign up as an Amazon associate or an Amazon affiliate through .com.au. For a lot of you who don't know what that is, it is basically signing up to sell other people's products, right? An affiliate is someone who sells other people's products, and you earn a certain commission every time that product is sold. So if you came onto, if you sign up as an Amazon affiliate and you want to sell our products through Amazon, Amazon will give you a certain percentage to sell those particular products every time that sale comes from you, right? So if we kind of put two and two together and we start thinking about, okay, well, maybe I could become an Amazon affiliate and I can sign up for it. But how do I go about finding products and sell those particular products? And one thing I kind of mentioned again on Inner Circle, I kind of go through this in depth, but I'll kind of just share the idea quickly here. But for example, what you could do and what I would probably do, and again, there's a lot more to this, but I kind of want to just kind of go over it a bit vaguely here, just so you kind of understand the concept of it, is look at a keyword in Australia that's got a lot of volume, right? So this has, for example, 49,500 searches a month, beach tent, right? Now, of course, it's seasonal. I want to show the trends. But the reason why I just chose that quickly today is just to give you a bit of an example, show you it's got a lot of search queries, right? A lot of people searching for beach tents in Australia. So again, 49,500 searches a month.